an event to seek cooperation and collaboration of Southwest traditional rulers towards improving the country's primary healthcare system. In his speech, the Minister of Health, Osagie Hianiri, says federal government is committed to investing on human capital development through quality healthcare delivery.
We have already instituted such a partnership in the north with the Sultan of Sokoto, northern traditional rulers, and shall spread it all over the country. The target which we have is universal health coverage for human capital development in Nigeria, of which health is the cornerstone.
This inauguration is only reflecting the ownership tenet of public health in primary healthcare delivery. What you own, you cherish. What you cherish, you protect.
National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Faiza Shuaib, solicits support of the committee towards ensuring the success of federal government's efforts in improving the health sector.
We will carry the mantle of the interest of our subjects, and we will be very affirmative in terms of healthcare delivery.
The minister also used the opportunity to announce federal government's plan to build a model primary healthcare center in each of the states of the federation. Rafiu Hamid, TVC News, Ile-Ife, Osun State.
The outbreak and continued spread of COVID-19 pandemic has buttressed the importance of digitalization. One important area that experienced accelerated growth was the digitalization of education, usually called edutech. With over 46% internet penetration in Nigeria, only about 30% of the population have digital literacy. Bleaker is the fact that digital skills are not included in the curriculum of most Nigerian schools. The Swedish government is supporting the Swedish-Nigerian EduTech program to introduce modern ways of learning to the country. The program is designed for students as the platform offers everything needed to leverage the digital space.
One of their main projects is to work together with universities to ensure that all students are digitally literate and equipped for the world and for the future. As a members club, you'd say, under the name of DES Members Club, which stands for Digital Entrepreneurship and Skills Members.
You are learning something while on campus, maybe a Saturday thing, maybe a 2 hours a week thing. You are learning something. You will be able to get employed. Not only that, you become employable in some whatever skills you are learning, and before you even leave campus, you could be able to, as they do in many countries all over the world, be a working student.
Digital literacy and skills have become an important asset worldwide. Efforts such as this will help give Nigeria an advantage as digital evolution spreads around the continent and indeed the world. Moyo Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.
It's a dream come true for internally displaced persons in Maiduguri as the state government allocates houses to them at Guam community of Mafa Local Council. The 1,000 housing units consist of 2 blocks with socio-economic activities such as solar-powered electricity, 4 solar-powered boreholes, a market, police station, vocational training center, schools, among others. Just before the houses were handed over to the state government, the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, Sadia Umar Farouk, took time to enumerate efforts of the President in bringing relief to victims of the insurgency. The Minister also affirmed that the project will go a long way to improve socio-economic well-being of the most vulnerable.
We're also handing over to the state government 1,000 mass housing units in Ongom out of the 10,000 houses that was approved by His Excellency Mr. President as special intervention. I would like to use this opportunity to commend the continuous efforts of the Managing Director and the entire team of the NEDC for carrying out their mandate.
Food and non-food items were also distributed to those returning to GUM community so as to enable them turn a new leaf. The returnees were also empowered with entrepreneurship equipment in order to make them self-reliant. The completion of this 1,000 housing unit by the Northeast Development Commission has brought a renewed hope to people who have suffered 12 years of insurgency. Jesse Tafida, TVC News, Maiduguri.